Hey there! Ever stumbled upon those cool halftone effects in images and wondered how to create them yourself? Well, today's your lucky day because we're diving into the art of crafting that awesome halftone effect using some Adobe Photoshop magic. Let's get started. First things first, pick a photo or download a top-notch one from FreePic. Make sure your subject's striking a pose that screams cool. Now, open it in Photoshop. Select the layer and click and duplicate it. Now click on Adjustment Layer and then Black and White to desaturate the picture. We need to crank up the contrast for better performance. For that extra contrast kick, head back to the Adjustment Layer menu and pick Levels. Grab your mouse and slide the dark arrow right and the light arrow left. Once you're happy with your contrast gain, select the 3 layers. Right-click on them to merge layers. Congrats! Now you have the perfect picture to apply the effect. Time to rock that halftone effect. Select the layer and go to Filter window, then pixel it and color halftone. Set max radius to 15 and all the channels to 85. Remember, bigger radius, less detail. Now, for that old school flavor, swing by filter. Select noise and add noise. Set the number to 30%. And there you have it, a nice monochromatic halftone effect. But hold up, let's sprinkle some chromatic aberration on this party. Duplicate the layer with Ctrl+J. Then, select the new layer and go to the Adjustment Layer window and then Gradient Map. The Gradient Map Properties window will pop up. Now, click on the gradient and choose a nice color scheme that fits your pick. It could be a blue one. Change the blend mode to screen, merge those, and repeat the process with the lower layer. I will go for the purples this time. Change the blend mode to screen and merge the different gradients with each layer. Select the multiply blend mode for both layers. We are almost there. Disable the base layer and nudge to the left the blue one using the cursor keys until that chromatic aberration effect pops. The halftone transformation is complete. Have fun experimenting with it and let your creativity shine. Explore our channel and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss our videos. In the meantime, remember, your imagination knows no bounds. That's all for today. See you soon.